Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group E. We will show you about material all today. So, I'm Sinta Sofi Mariska and my partner are Idelni Saputri, Wina Ramadhani, and Nur Islam Khatib. The nature of approach and method in language teaching. Approach and method, there are three main. According to Anthony's model, approach is the level at which assumption and belief about language and language learning are specific. Method is the level at which theory is put into practice and at which choices are made about the particular skill to be taught, the content to be taught, and the order in which the content will be presented. Technique is the level at which classroom procedures are described.
Okay, I will explain the material about structural approach and communicative approach. Examining language in very detailed manner. Structural approach, popularly known as structural oral situation approach, came into being as an alternative to the direct method of teaching, based on the assumption that language can be learned through a scientific selection and grading of structures, patterns of sentence and vocabulary. Communicative approach. Communicative approach language teaching is best considered an approach rather than a method. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The first, I want to introduce myself. My name is Wina Ramadhani and you can call me Wina. I'm from class 19A. NPM 19040021. Curiosity about data, desire to your best. Motivation to spend more time understanding something. A student are considered to have high commitment if they have feelings. Curious to learn and strong fighting power to finish his duties. On the other hand, they will be considered as low committed if they are not interested and irresponsible of completing tasks given to him. While competency including ability, intelligence, understanding, and independence of students to able to complete this task given to him properly and properly. Thank you. Okay, I want to read material about situational approach. The situational approach of the contingency approach is theory that seeks to find a middle ground between the view that says there are universal principles of organization and management, and the view that argues that each organization is unique and has different situational approach theory. In this book, Nordhaus explained that theory the situational approach was introduced based on a research conducted by Paul Hare and Ken Blanchard. Theory It used to indicator that serve as reference for meaning the situation in the followers. In the case the disciples indicator, the indicator are commitment and competency. According to Jansovic, commitment can be interpreted as loyalty.
Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Islam Abad Khatib, and I'm from Group E. I will explain about multi-skill or integrated skill and skill approach, and the second eclectic approach. Now we discuss about multi-skill or integrated skill approach. Integrated skill focus on the four main English skills. They are reading, writing, speaking, and listening. So, communicative language teaching methodology. New grammar patterns are learned in context of conversation or real-life situation. Students will engage in various activities to practice English, including listening tests, role-playing, and stimulation discussion. Practical reading and writing tests and vocabulary studies are present. Artinya, keterampilan terpadu berfokus pada 4 keterampilan utama, yaitu membaca, menulis, berbicara, dan mendengarkan. Lalu, melalui metodologi ini, pengajaran bahasa komunikatif ialah pola tata bahasa baru dipelajari dalam konteks percakapan atau situasi kehidupan nyata. Siswa akan terlibat dalam berbagai kegiatan untuk berlatih bahasa Inggris, termasuk tugas mendengarkan, bermain peran, dan diskusi-diskusi yang membuat mereka menjadi lebih mendalami apa itu bahasa. And then let we discuss about eclectic approach. Eclectic approach is method of language learning, teaching that combines various approach and methodologies to teach language depending on the aims of the lesson and abilities of the learner. In this approach, teacher has more flexibility and adaptability to choose best element according to the need and aim of the student. Different teaching methods are borrowed and adapted to suit the requirement of the learner. It breaks the monotony of the class. There are varied approach and method used for language teaching. Artinya, pendekatan elektik adalah metode pembelajaran pengajaran bahasa yang menggabungkan berbagai pendekatan dan metodologi untuk mengajarkan bahasa, tergantung pada tujuan pelajaran dan kemampuan peserta didik. Dalam pendekatan ini, guru memiliki fleksibilitas dan kemampuan beradaptasi yang lebih untuk memilih elemen terbaik sesuai dengan kebutuhan dan tujuan siswa. Metode pengajaran berbeda dan disesuaikan dengan kebutuhan para pelajar. Itu mematahkan kebosanan kelas. Atau menurut Profesor Jack J. Richard, ialah istilah pendekatan elektik mengacu pada pendekatan pengajaran yang tidak didasarkan pada satu metode. Misalnya, pengajaran berbasis tugas, tetapi yang mengacu pada beberapa prinsip metode berbeda yang digunakan dalam praktik. Ini adalah pendekatan pengajaran berbasis masalah yang didasarkan pada prinsip-prinsip berikut. Seperti masalah khusus apa yang dihadapi pelajar saya dalam menguasai aspek penggunaan bahasa atau bahasa ini, atau prosedur apa yang dapat saya digunakan dari metode dan pendekatan yang tersedia yang dapat digunakan untuk mengatasi masalah ini. Maybe just this from me. I say to you, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.